Hello my friends, today I would like to share mini album I made from paper that red one is Stamperia's paper and inside is a collection from Carta Bella, homemade with love. And also I use a charm inside from Karin Forster. So let's see how it look like. So here is the cover, and I use little zoom. Okay, I first cut the image from the paper and choose also images from the pictures and cut them, first cut them and add mounting tape to make 3D look. So, and title is Love Being Home to Bake recipe. So let's see what is inside. That mini album I want to use for a workshop I plan in September to Abu Dhabi. So it will be similar this page, and right page will have different kind of envelopes or different kind of different technique how to put recipe on the page. So here it's closure like that, and it's envelope which has accordion on the side, so can be extended, and inside are these paper from tags from the paper collection, and can go close like that. And I add just stickers, the flour and sugar, and also this gloves. I add charms on each space, each gap, that Karin Forster charms, and the next page has that tag which secure that mat for recipes, and I glue just on the U sides and make a space pocket for that tiny tag, and to not open page I add that tiny tag with braids, secure with braids to secure the flap. Inside is tag like this from paper collection. Okay, I will do later. No, okay. So next page has closure on the magnet, and it's few cards for make recipes. And can be add photo also here, and closure is by magnet on the first card. So next page has same look like page on the left side, and inside is tag similar. All 4 tags are from one sheet of the paper, so they look very similar. Okay, next page has that door, and when we open inside her I make pocket with that 2 photo mats or space for recipes, and closure is like that, so you can closed. Other nice charm. I forgot to show you that teeny part. What is beautiful charm from Karen Foster. Next page is similar like others, just secure with that tag, and when we open and close like that. Here is similar. All tags are similar. I see it doesn't see very well. Sorry about. But for me it's important always the side on the right side, the page on the right side, to show how different we can make envelopes or paper to put a recipe on. So here is envelope just mounting, and I make a little bit bigger, so go around with half of centimeters, and can be add few more recipes because it's place for them. Here is stickers, teeny mini charm, same page like before, same tags inside, also for recipes. And then we go here, and this envelope is closed by that strip of the paper. When we open, it's flat envelope, and it's few tags inside from the paper collection. So that is my teeny mini recipe, and closer goes like this, and that beautiful charm. And last have that tag. It's similar like before, and it's secure by this tag like this. So that is recipe mini album. Hope you like it. It was very fun to make it, and I think will be good example for a workshop how we can make some recipe. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next time. Bye bye guys.